I'm Matt Flenley from Tactics, and we're convinced that if there's going to be a future powered by data, then it's going to need to be quality data. I'm delighted to be at the Singapore FinTech Festival and Switch, and I really hope you've been having an excellent show so far. Ideally, I'd be saying hi to you from a stage in mid-afternoon and then catching up with you afterwards for a coffee or a beer. But 2020 is 2020ing all over events internationally. So here I am in my Belfast office just before breakfast and raring to go. Today's topic is 3 unexpected benefits of cleaning your data. Now you'll see all sorts of benefits of better quality data at a technology level, bottom line increases, revenue uplifts, margin and all that. But you've come here for some unexpected benefits. So we're not going to look at those at all. No, instead we're going to start with this. I just can't rely on the data being good enough is so often the cry of the frustrated data steward. Nobody is doubting the ambitions of business teams when it comes to doing more with their data, but being hampered by duplication, inconsistencies and gaps really takes the wind out of their sails. Is it any wonder when Deloitte reported that 92% of financial institutions relied on faulty information to better understand their customers? At a cost of nearly $10 million annually per firm, as reported by Gartner, it's a major drag to their progress. But again, this isn't about the expected benefits of fixing your data. What's the hidden benefit of actually cleaning all this data up? Well, I would say it's this. It's that blue eye there. It's the cry from your people. I just can't rely on the data quality being good enough. So our unexpected benefits are going to major on your data people, showcasing these benefits from a human perspective. First up, empowering business teams. As it says in the stat, over 500,000 days of managers' time is potentially wasted when people can't make decisions quickly and efficiently. No doubt in these data-driven times, that's no small part down to the data they have at their disposal. There are 3 factors behind something called agency. The ability to make decisions, have all the resources at your disposal to do a good job, and to feel competent in your role. And these 3 together are the most effective drivers of productivity. Probably more importantly, it makes people feel good at their job. Being able to trust in the quality of the data they're working from definitely improves morale for that much needed analytics program that will outflank the opposition. The efficiency delivering AI project that's going to take credit scoring to a new level, or for customer services teams operating on the front lines. And further on your people, let's delve deeper into this self-help for data people by de-stressing your data stewards. Sometimes the type of data, what it represents and simply how untidy it is causes a lot of stress. The stat there from Forbes, around 80% of data scientists' time being spent doing something that nearly the same percentage find unfulfilling, is a major worry for having effective people working effectively. If the data was clean, they wouldn't be wading through duplicates. If it was in order, they could, for example, use their skills in building models based on sentiment analysis instead of having to manually extract sentiment from poorly maintained data sets. That poor data janitor will have to trawl through others' misery, trying to pull all the conclusions together before the next reporting period is due. If you get the data sorted, and those data people can put their clever brains into making a difference instead. And then onto our final benefit, they won't want to leave you, which leads us nicely on that related note to our 3rd unexpected benefit, retaining good people. Data scientists, no doubt you already know this, are extremely hard to come by, and good data scientists even more so. That's before you consider the cost of replacing them, which for roles that regularly average upwards of $120,000 a year can be well over the 33% listed there by Forbes. Trusted data gives them a major reason to stick with your company and not defect to the nearest competitor who, on the face of it, looks like they're running the latest tech. Not every firm can simply snap their fingers and get the latest tech infrastructure in place, but with data scientists' salaries and packages regularly approaching that of hardcore developers, it's clear that the work should go into retention rather than a revolving door of constant replacement. So, as we come to the end of this second run through, in summary, at Datactics, we've been working with plenty of firms whose business goals definitely include dashboards, data quality metrics, data remediation, and all the usual features of data quality and data governance. And those things are absolutely massively important. But we found that culture is just as much a driver and a beneficiary of having clean data. These unexpected benefits might not be what you're thinking of when you're embarking on a data program, or even when you're just trying to figure out how to make things better, but they're definitely going to power your company's approach to the data-driven future. I'd like to thank you all for your time today, and maybe you've some more unexpected benefits of cleaning your data and you'd like to keep the conversation going. You can contact me via email on the screen there, or feel free to ping me a message on LinkedIn. I'm pretty good at coming back to those, and we'll catch up there. Well, that's all from me. I hope your festival goes really well, and I look forward to meeting you sometime in the future. Thank you so much.